In this lecture video, we will study the check the consistency and inconsistency by the matrix method. By the matrix method, you can check before class. कौन करते हैं? Check the consistency and inconsistency by the help of Cramer's rules. But here we will solve the by matrix method. By the matrix method. अच्छा हम कोई थी कौन? ना consistent रे कौन पूछी? Consistent रे solution exist करूँ और finite finite solution और finitely many solution inconsistent है solution not exist, solution not exist. Consistent which one? The solution must be exist and finitely many solutions exist कर पा रहे बा solution must be exist करो finite solution हो और finitely many solution पाएगा. Inconsistent कोई लेकिन पाएगा there is not exist a solution, there is no solution of the system of linear equations. तो देखिए basic concept of system of linear equations हो system कुछ now you can check that by considering that consider the three system of linear equations. Consider the system of three linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to k1. Now a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to k1. This is the system of linear equations. This is the linear equations of three variables like x, y, z. So that you can solve you can find out the determinants of that is system has three linear equations. That is the first linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to k1. Another one is a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to k2. Another third is a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to k3. The system of three linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to k1. And another one is a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to k2. And a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to k3. This is a system of linear equations of three variables x, y, z. In k1, k2, k3 the right hand sides values of the system of linear equations. So that we can first this system of linear equations we can write down. We have to convert in matrix way. Write down the matrix way. The matrix representations, that is. We can first of all we can write down the coefficients matrix, that is coefficients of x, y, z, and that is in format way ax equal to b. Only the two. You have to remember this ax equal to b. A with the coefficient matrix, x with the variable, and leave the right hand side of the system of linear equations. That system of linear equations the right hand side is the b, values of b, and a with the coefficient matrix. A coefficient matrix, and x with the column matrix of variable like x, y, and z. So that first of all we can write out the a matrix, and a matrix will be the coefficient matrix of x, y, z. So that first of all we can write down the coefficient matrix like a1, a2, a3. अच्छा a1, a2, a3 the coefficients of x. Wonder like that a1, a2, a3 with the coefficients of x. Secondly, B1, B2, B3, B1, B2 and B3 with the coefficient matrix of Y. Then our third column matrix will be C1, C2, C3, C1, C2 and C3 with the coefficient matrix, the coefficient values of Z, so that this is the A matrix. This is the A matrix. A1, A2, A3 with the coefficients of X, and B1, B2, B3 with the coefficient of Y. Then C1, C2, C3 with the coefficient of Z. Then we can write down the multiplication of X, so that this is the variables of system of linear equation. That is the X, Y, Z. Variable की क्या होती है ना X, Y, Z. These variables can be written down in column matrix. That is X, Y, Z. So that this is the matrix of order 3 by 3 and this is the matrix of order 3 by 1. So that matrix multiplication possible or not possible? Possible due to the first matrix column is equal to second matrix row numbers. So that 3, 1. Sorry, 3, 3. So that this is the matrix multiplication will be possible. Then equal to B. It is the also the column matrix like as K1, K2 and K3. बुझेला देखो जदि if we can multiply the two matrix A and X, then equality to the third matrix, the column matrix K1, K2, K3, then we can find out the system of linear equation. That is A1x plus B1y plus C1z equal to K1, and A2x plus B2y plus C2z equal to K2, and A3x plus B3y plus C3z equal to K3. अच्छा मल्टीप्लाई करिवार प्रोसीजर पुणी कौन हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई देखो हमें पढ़ते कौन कॉलम सॉरी रो इनटू कॉलम टिल एंडिंग ऑफ द कॉलम्स. दैट इज दिस इज द कॉलम्स मैट्रिक्स ऑफ फर्स्ट कॉलम एंड मल्टीप्लाई कितनी करिवा ना दिस रो फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स रो कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ सेकंड मैट्रिक्स कॉलम and the respective element with the respective elements are multiplied. So that देखो A1 into X, A1x मझे प्लस कंपल्सरी सेकंड B1 into Y, B1y, C1 into Z, C1z पाइबा कि नहीं ताले कौन पाइबा ना A1x plus B1y plus C1z पाइबा कि नहीं. Similarly ना मल्टीप्लाई करो A2 into X, B2y, C2z पाइबा रेस्पेक्टिव सहित रेस्पेक्टिव मल्टीप्लाई करिवो मझे कौन दबो प्लस कंपल्सरी मल्टीप्लाई प्लस साइंस. सो दैट A2x plus B2y plus C2z equal to देखा. अच्छा then A3x B3y C3z हो गया A3x plus B3y plus C3z. अच्छा इक्वल टू करा मैट्रिक्स दैट इज K1 K2 K3 पाइलट लाइन. Is system of linear equation or not? The system of linear equation. So that we can first of all write down the coefficient matrix, then variables matrix, then right hand side of the matrix. The second step we kariba. Then we can first use step 1. Step 1. Step 2 रे अच्छा देखो हमें Ax इक्वल टू B अछि नहीं फाइव देखो देन स्टेप 2 होगा अछि को प्रोसेस अछि Ax इक्वल टू B. हमें फाइंड आउट करिबा कोटा ना ए जो कॉलम मैट्रिक्स अछि केते अछि ना x y and z, x y z. सो दैट हम ए इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करिया पाए हम कोन करिबा वी कैन multiply the A inverse in both sides. हम करिबा both side रे हमें A inverse को multiply करिबा. That is देखो B multiply करिबा that is देखो then A inverse into A inverse को multiply करियो कि नहीं तो A inverse into A into x equal to A inverse B. होगा कि नहीं प्री मल्टीप्लाई कर ले A inverse into x अछि x होइला A inverse into b अछि होइला A inverse into A, that is identity matrix into x, A inverse B. Then identity matrix multiply with the x matrix, that is also x equal to A inverse into B. So that x equal to our A inverse into B. X 100 करिया केनथि 15 के opposite रहउछि x equal to by x matrix is equal to A inverse into B matrix. बुझे लग नहीं अब फाइंड करबा कहार वैल्यू सिस्टम ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन फाइंड करबा x y z and x y z you can find out the process A inverse into B, so that first of all we can find out the what is the values of A inverse. अच्छा A inverse how to find A inverse will be the process to find out the A inverse, that is adjoint A by determinant of, you have to remember this A inverse. To find out, first of all we can find out the adjoint A by determinant of A, so that we can find out the A inverse, then multiply with B matrix, then we can find out the values of x matrix. मन रहा कि नहीं देखिबा so that Ax general procedure for Ax equal to B and x equal to A inverse into B due to pre-multiplying of A inverse in both sides, so that A inverse into A, that is identity matrix, and A inverse into B, so that identity matrix into x, that is equal to A inverse into B, so that x is equal to A inverse into B. So that now मुझे लग रहा है प्रोसीजर लिखिबो नोट डाउन करिवो then so that the step वाले कौन थे हमको ना Ax equal to B मार्क करना, then we can find out step 2 रे determinant of A. First we can find out the determinant of A, that is the coefficient matrix रो determinant find out करिवा, so that is determinant of A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 बुझेला हाँ कि नहीं determinant of A find out करिवो, and our condition must be determinant of A, condition कौन ना determinant of A not equal to 0, non singular matrix होगा दरकार, determinant of A not equal to 0, then A inverse will be exist adjoint A by determinant of A. अच्छा adjoint A find out करने प्रोसीजर तुम कोई कौन ना adjoint A होगी cofactor matrix रो transpose हाँ कि नहीं cofactor A रो transpose and then determinant of A. This is the second step. Then starts third step में कौन होगी x equal to A inverse into B. अच्छा x equal to A inverse means adjoint A by determinant of A into B matrix. Then we can solve the A inverse into B or adjoint A by determinant of A into B. This is the procedure to find out the values of x, y, z by the help of matrix method. This is the matrix method. So that first one करके आपको को देखो the system of linear equation will be given a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to k1, and another is a2x plus b2y plus c3z equal to k2, and a3x b3y plus c3z equal to k3. And step वाले कौन करिबा कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स अछि बा कोएफिशिएंट वैल्यूज ऑफ x y z का हम लिखिबा मैट्रिक्स वे, that is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3. Then the variable of x y z can be written in column wise x y z, and the values of right hand sides also can write down the column wise k1 k2 k3. Then step 2 रे हम कौन करिबा we can find out the what is the determinant values of coefficient matrix, determinant values of a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 and a3 b3. Then we can find out the A inverse. In A inverse will be exist adjoint A by determinant of A, then x equal to A inverse into B matrix, x equal to adjoint A by determinant of A into B matrix. This is the procedure to find out the solve the system of linear equation by the help of matrix methods. By the help of matrix methods. Before class I പഠിച്ചിരുന്നു by the help of Cramer's rules. But we can check out the consistency and inconsistency by the help of Cramer's rule or matrix methods. देखिए अभी problems. Next video.